Are you tired of being the designated orderer when you're out with friends? Well, I have got some great news for you. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split payments on Uber Eats in 2025, making group orders easier than ever. Let's dive right in. Step 1. First, open the Uber Eats app or head over to ubereats.com. Choose your favorite restaurant and select the group order options. This is where the fun begins. Step 2. Next, you can customize the group order, set a delivery address, and if you want, establish a spending limit, a deadline for everyone to place their orders. This helps keep things organized and within budget. Step 3. Now it's time to invite your friends. Select invite guests and share the link provided. This allows everyone to join in on the order and place their individual selections without hassle. Step 4. Once everyone has added their items, review the group cart. As the host, you can choose whether to pay for the entire order to let each person pay for their own meal. If you opt for splitting the bill, simply select guests pay for themselves. Step 5. Before checking out, make sure everything looks good. You can lock the order so no one can add more items after this point. Then hit place group order and voila, your food will be on its way. And there you have it. Splitting payments on Uber Eats has never been easier. No more awkward conversations about who owes what or chasing down friends for cash. Just enjoy your meal together. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy eating.